Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, hi, my name is Shan, welcome. And if you're all by equity, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you guys about 5 things I wish I knew before starting Mounjaro. These are very important. I feel like if you're going to start taking Mounjaro, you need to get yourself ready, get your mind ready. I'm not trying to scare you, but this is just the things that I have experienced that I wish I knew before I started Mounjaro. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Number 1, it is not a miracle medication. You need to put in work for you to see results. Yes, it's gonna make you full, it's gonna silence the food noise, which is amazing, but you also need to do your part, which is eating healthy, eating a lot of protein, fiber, very important. Fiber and protein, very important. Just being mindful of what you're putting in your body if you want to see the maximum result. I'm saying that because I have tested it. I want to be a lab rat for you guys, so that way you know what you're doing, so you don't just waste money and you're not getting the results that you want. It's not a miracle medication. You need to do your part. Is very important. So yeah, that is number 1, because I feel like people make it sound like it's a medication that you take, you just lose weight. No, you need to eat right in order to see results. So yeah, that's just that. Sorry, I have to be honest. Number 2, babe, get ready for constipation. You're gonna be constipated, okay? You're gonna be struggling to poop. So that's why it's very important for you to consume fiber. It's very, very important. Fiber and drinking a lot of water will help you. At least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Very important, because I'm struggling right now with constipation, and I'm telling you this, it is not fun at all. So yeah, fiber, water, loads of water, 2 liters or 3 liters, I don't care, try and drink it. Number 3, acid reflux. Acid reflux, I hated it. This, like, mine is like a heartburn. It's kind of annoying because it's so irritating, but that is something I have experienced. Now my experience might not be the same as yours, because obviously we are different people and our body reacts differently. So yeah, I just thought I would let you guys know about that. Number 4, I experienced headache. Now I'm not gonna say it's a very strong headache, a mild headache that would stay for a couple minutes and it would go away. So yeah, I experienced headache on Mounjaro. I'm experiencing it mostly on 5 ml. I will let you guys know about 5 ml, what I think about it. Yes, I was on 5 ml. So yeah, headache. That is number 4. Number 5, fatigue. Now I felt this on 2.5. Whenever I have my shot, I always experience fatigue for couple hours and it would go away. On 5 ml is just more intense. I would be so tired and I just want to sleep. I can't sleep because I have 5-month-old baby that I'm taking care of. So yeah, fatigue is another symptom I experienced. Number 6, nausea. I was so nauseous, but mostly on 5 ml. Nauseousness, I felt nauseous, but it's nothing strong. It was mild, and yeah, eventually disappeared. I will do video on 5 ml where I'll go into more in depth about my symptoms and all. So yeah, that's that. Nauseousness is one of them as well. Number 7, dizziness. I felt dizzy. Nothing strong, it's just mild dizziness, but I felt it, and it won't stay for long. It would just stay for a couple minutes and it would disappear. And did I like it? No. Who likes to feel dizzy? I don't like it, but I think I felt it mostly on 5 ml. Again, I would do video on 5 ml. 5 ml was like, ugh. But yeah, if you guys want to hear my thoughts on that, let me know in the comment section. I can make that video for you guys. So yeah, dizziness was another one. The last but not least is number 8, stomach ache. Stomach ache, I still experience achiness. Nothing strong, but I do feel it. It comes in for a bit and it will disappear. So yeah, that was a bit like, I don't like this, but it's part of it. So what can we do? It's part of the symptoms that I got. So yeah, that's all the symptoms that I had, and I hope you like this video. If you have similar symptom as me, leave in a comment section. Let me know, what did you do to make it go away, to make yourself feel good? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Let me know if you guys like these Mounjaro videos that I'm making, so I can make more of it, because I actually like it. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all so much. See you on my next video. Bye.